Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Google Chrome websites are not loading. Let's begin. So here we are, and the first thing that we would need to do to fix this issue is to go here into our Google Chrome. So let's go type Google Chrome right here, let's find it and open our Google Chrome right here. So now we have our Google Chrome, and from here what we're gonna do is we're gonna click here on the extensions tab right here. So we're gonna manage all extensions by clicking here, manage extensions. And from here you wanna disable all of it, or you might just want to disable the extensions that are related to the site that you are currently trying to access but you are failing to. So you want to disable that, or just to be safe you want to disable everything, every extension that you have right here, so that you would know if the extension is the problem, if that is the one that is causing you the error. And after disabling all of this, then you want to open the website again and see if the problem has been fixed. But if not, then I suggest that you do this next step. So the next step would be clearing our browsing data. So click here on the three dots at the top right, and from here go into settings. And from here you want to go into privacy and security, and from here you want to clear browsing data. And now from here I suggest that you go for all time right here, so that it will clear everything. And it would free up the space and the temporary files that Chrome has in your device, and this would give you a clean slate. And this is the recommended one, but you could just also do this other options right here if you'd want to. But if you want to really be sure, then you can go for all time right here and click on clear data just like that, and you want to go back right here after clicking on clear data. And now the next thing that you would want to do if the problem is still not fixed is that let's go close this, and we are going to disable our VPN right here. So if you have VPN in your PC right here, so another one is that Windows 10 has a built-in VPN right here. You can also use this, but if you are using third-party VPNs, then you want to disable that before going into that website, because that might be the one that is causing you problem. And then the next thing is that we are going to go here into our Windows Update. So we are going to Windows Update right here, check for updates right here. So go into Windows Update, or you can just simply go into the Windows settings and go into Windows Update right here, and make sure that you don't have any updates available, especially if it's major. Then you would really need to download and install it, because that might be the reason that you are facing this error. And now, once you have made sure that you have updated everything, click on update and restart now, and so on. And as you can see, mine, I have one, but I don't really need this because I don't have any errors, just like you in my computer, so I don't really need this right here. And now if you've done everything and still not working, then I suggest that you restart your Wi-Fi router. So you might want to go there and maybe unplug it for a minute, and then come back and plug it again after a minute right there. Then you would see if the problem has been solved, because that might be the reason that you are facing this error, because it's worth a try. So once you tried it, then you can just go and test it right here and go into your Google Chrome and see if the problem has been fixed. But if it's not fixed, then I suggest that you do this last thing, because this might be the best one right here that you can do in order for you to solve this problem, which is uninstalling Google Chrome and reinstalling it back again. What this would do is that it would give you a clean slate of Google Chrome, and it would reset all the files. So this is a really good one. So from here in the start menu, you want to type in apps and features right here in your system settings. And from here you can search in the list Google Chrome or simply Chrome, and you would see the Google Chrome right here. And you want to click here on uninstall, and then this would uninstall the Google Chrome. So once you have uninstalled your Google Chrome right here, then you can go into any browser, and from here you want to go search for download Google Chrome and the Google search right here. And as you can see, we have it right here, and you want to go into this website, and from here click on download Google Chrome, and after that you would be able to download it. And all you have to do is just run it and wait for it to finish installing, and that's basically it. You can now open your fresh new Google Chrome and set up your accounts and everything, and that should give you a clean slate and clean everything, clean files. And from there you can just set it up and the problem should be solved. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.